This is Roam Beyond Limits, and in today's video we explore this Warwick Mill. Constructed in 1907, it was a 5-storey listed cotton mill with a long past but an uncertain future. Closed around the mid-60s, since closure it's not had an easy life. From structural concerns, threats from large infrastructure projects, the building survived largely due to its heritage protection, despite years of vacancy, short-term use and vandalism taking its toll. Today the site is earmarked for redevelopment with approved plans to transform the mill to luxury apartments and commercial space. Join us as we evade security and explore this large mill before it's transformed forever.
Urbex, right. Yeah, where are you going? Here to explore. Why you use security? Yeah. You got SRA badge?
Yeah, I have SRA.
Yeah, that's it.
You have access?
Yeah, there's access there and
You have access?
yeah, there's access there and there's access there, but can I see your badge?
I have a badge.
Yeah, can I see it?
You're not allowed.
I've got to get that camera.
Yes. Not being rude to you, mate, it's just, you know, anyone can say the security card there.
This is my badge, you know?
Yeah, that's why, it's just anyone can say the security card there, you know what I mean?
I could say I'm security.
Don't go inside.
Do you know what they're actually doing with it?
You're not allowed.
No, I mean, do you know what they're actually doing with the building? Are they going to turn it into flats or put it down or what? You know?
No.
You don't know? Yeah. Alright, okay, cheers, mate. Okay, see that.
Security. That's the car he was in.
He didn't have his badge on. So he didn't have his badge on the show. So there, we did the correct thing there because it could have been anyone. So,
Security.
Yeah, come and join us.
In a shitty little car. Look, he showed us his badge or we would have just gone in. But unfortunately, not this time.
It's too rolled to get out of his car.
Yeah. You didn't notice how he wasn't going to get his badge out?
Well, me and Sean got caught by security at the hospital, but we already explored it beforehand.
Yeah.
I'm liking the look of that door there. You see the door right in the corner?
Yeah.
That looks accessible. So we didn't go in from his side, we went to the other mill. Well, you went to the office block, and then we just come in from the office block side. Oh, and we're in. We're in. Access there, security around there. Sorted. Yeah, there is a guy right outside the gate. That's a bold guy.
Yeah.
Next to security, talking to them.
So don't they? There's that door there.
Keep the noise down. Yeah, there's literally another guy outside the gates. That's fresh.
That is fresh. Right, let's get out of here then.
Yeah. As long as you keep the noise down, you're not going to know. Can't have no fun. Make noise. Why is security not doing anything? Or is the security part of something else going on? Look at that, oh, that's fucked up. They made their own little stage. camp bed there. It's got quite a bit on this floor compared to elsewhere. Fucking pigeon. And it fucking goes further. Wow. That's massive.
Every floor's going to be the same as this.
Every floor's going to be the same, but that is massive.
It's going to get to the roof now. Okay? It's got to get to the roof. Yeah, from what I've seen at roof, it looks shagged. I've heard rumours.
Oh shit. Look at the size of this place here. This is the Warwick Mill. PlayStation. PlayStation. Okay. So he's already gone. The floor below us. John is walking across this at the other end.
Yeah, I want to walk in
as we walk. Is this the highest part of the mill, or is there another level?
I don't know. I think this is the highest part, 'cause we were near it.
Yeah, I think this might be the highest part. Then. But just walking through this is just amazing, just walking through this. That's all I wanted to do with the Bradford one, really.
I could.
This is what I like about Bradford one. Well, obviously with daylight, seeing like the layout like this with the completely plain, but with the windows like they are.
Yeah.
And that's what I wanted to get some shots of at Bradford, but a bit more difficult there. Oh, the wood's a bit on this wet bit. It's very loose, so I just started bending. Careful.
I'm going to be bloody super careful here. Hello.
Wow.
Whoa. Yeah.
Whoa. Hello. Hello, John.
Jesus Christ.
We're up here. This is such sketch.
Yeah, it's first one and the second one's uphill.
Yeah. This is very sketch, you know.
Yeah.
This is how sketchy it is.
Fall down there at a certain depth. I've got you anyway. It's 250 questions from friends. Yeah. Well, 5 or 6 up going as well.
That's why it's spongy, it's got all moss on.
Yeah.
my fucking god. That is fucking high.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's where I was. Yeah. Sketchy, because right underneath these is literally fucking massive drop. Right underneath these, one of these goes on dead. Literally.
Yeah, you're bearing at one side. Yeah. So why is that going all the way through? Yeah, well, plus, I think they might, back in the day, they might have used that as part of the power of the power machines in there as well. That's what I'm saying. With that. There's no... Yeah. On the roof to show them. No. To the roof.
That is. I didn't bring my thingies this time. Roof access. Where do these go? The other ladders?
You don't know what you make of them, but if you look above it, it's just a tank.
It's got to be the top of that.
I think it's a water tank to the building, because you look above it.
They're on the roof of the mill.
I think it is concrete with me.
Yeah, it feels sturdy, doesn't it? It doesn't feel soft
Yeah.
at all.
Warwick Mill.
That's what I was wondering, if half of it's concrete or something. No, that's what I'm told now at all.
He said not. He said don't go inside, but we're on the roof. We're on it, not inside. I found ladders on the outside. Yeah, that's what I was doing. Instead of that way, where they are.
Put the phone into that wall there.
Let's see.
Been in a few buildings and I haven't actually
Hope you enjoyed this video of exploring mill, as you see in the background, and see you in the next video.